What's up, everybody? It's your boy Hammer. Welcome to Hammer on Tuesday. All right, so today we're actually on our way to Fredericksburg, Maryland, to BMW motorcycle shop, Morton's. Yeah, man, we're going to see big ears. Got to get something else for my ears, man. It is what it is. And if you haven't gotten yours, make sure you order from Big Ears. I'll throw the information up on the screen. So let's get Platinum started so we can get up out of here. Yes, sir. Clean my baby up. Check it out. Check it out. Yes, sir. Platinum's ready. Your boy ready. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so we're on our way to National Harbor to meet up, well, hopefully with some people. I don't know. I know Street Soldier Brett and I, we're going to roll to Fredericksburg, Virginia, to Morton's BMW motorcycles. Big Ears is going to be out there. I'm going to get a cord put into my old set of earplugs. I think he's having some readjustments done to his. Yeah, man, Big Ears, man. Y'all check it out. Plus, I got to get a mold done, because I'm going to order me some Bluetooth customized earplugs from Big Ears as well. So yeah, and a friend of mine, he's like, man, I ain't know you knew about this. He's like, man, these are the best things ever. People would have no idea. I said, I totally agree with you 100%. But he said he had some Bluetooth, they messed up on him. He said, man, I'm going to get me another pair. He was like, forget this, man. He said, them things are lovely. I said, okay, cool. Here we go with this foolishness right here. Man, it's not even 9 o'clock. What in the world, DMV? Traffic this early in the morning, can't make this up. But that's all right. It's a beautiful day and we riding today. We're going to Fredericksburg, Virginia. Traffic going should be decent. Coming back, it might be a little sticky. And then we're going to go to another event. They got a photo shoot from 4 to 6, hosted by Mighty Hip _Moto. And that's my man Ian, who hosts the Wednesday night bike ride. So yeah, for 4 to 6, Graffiti Alley in Baltimore. So we got a nice long day. And I plan to bring you all majority of the footage. So yeah, man, enjoy this ride until we get to National Harbor. If you're not out riding today, I don't know what you're doing. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful out here. Cool, but not cold. Woo! Talk to him, Platinum. My baby's screaming. Sorry, y'all, hype. Your boy hadn't ridden this week. I was installing the other camera. And relocating the wires, the controller, and so yeah, man, your boy was just relocating stuff, man. Oh, yes indeed. going on vacay. Hey, where y'all going? Take me with you. Gotta be able to bring platinum though. As long as it's not up in the Smoky Mountains with them doggone bears, man. Talk to him, Platt. Picking up 137. See, nothing's behind me, but in front of me, see the van here. I got MapQuest on, got my dash cam on. Got my phone charging on the quad lock all at the same time, man. I still need to put a cruise on this baby though. Alright, so right here, alright, so we're in Washington, D.C. We're cutting through, going from Maryland, cut through D.C., back to Maryland, and then we're going to head to Virginia. I don't know what's worse, D.C. streets or Baltimore. Darn. No, I gotta get out to Baltimore. Southeast. Look at this. I'm like these. All right, everybody. So yeah. So the bikers came up, met us up here, man. They're gonna ride with us to Fredericksburg, Virginia, and hopefully they pick up some earplugs too. You know what I'm saying? So let's check out the bikes that are gonna be riding with us to Fredericksburg, Virginia today. My man Quick, I'm gonna throw his website up. He just picked up a brand new Hayabusa, but he still has this 1,750. Check him out, man. Team Zook. Bunch of Jixers, brother. Bunch of Jixers. Look at that, Zooks. Look at this, man. Check it out, check it out. Team Zook. And we got one ZX6, man. He's alone. Y'all didn't come out to support him today, so he can be riding a bunch of Zooks. So we're gonna try not to leave him today. No, that's cool, man. So these are the bikes that's going. We got one other boost over here. He's coming too. So we're gonna let you all catch all these bikes on the ride. All right, so people suited and booted. We about ready to roll, man. Check them out, check them out. Hey, man, they are ready. They're ready. So we're not gonna lead us at that 6, man. We're not gonna do it to them. Plus Vic breaking his bike in. I mean, quick. So yeah, man, we just gonna take it easy. Get a good speed, you know what I'm saying? So let's get Platinum started and get up out of here. Yes, sir. Let this baby record. Good looking out, good looking out. Ooh, that water feels good. Yes, sir. Look at my man quick. So he has 200 miles on his Hayabusa. So he's still breaking it in. Just changed up his tires. He got those cheap dealership tires off. He said, man, I got them things off. Them battle axe. I got them joints off. Alright, how you put battle axes on a boost? Woo! Woo! Everything popping, everything popping. They had some mean bikes this morning. And we actually ended up pulling off at 9:49. And Brett and I were talking about this. Woo! Woo! I like, that's nice. Y'all hear those pipes firing off. Yes, sir. Alright, so got Street Soldier Brett right here. He's chilling. Check my man out on the Gixxer. Man, it's a bunch of Zooks, man. Yes, sir. They coming. Nice, nice. Woo! Woo! John and his boost. Look at the Zook. That bike is hot, man. Check him out. Nice. Now, they ride together all the time, so don't be surprised if you see a couple of guys riding side by side. They ride together all the time, so they know each other's tendencies. And they don't panic when somebody comes up on the side of them. So, hey, there you go. I think Fredericksburg is about over an hour away, I believe. I'm not sure. I didn't even put it in my phone, so hey, I gotta get to Fredericksburg. I'll put it in once I get there if I lose everybody. Old school right there. Now, the one thing I didn't do is check the weather here in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Man, look at this crap. And by it being almost 2 hours away, hey, it could rain down here and not rain in Maryland. There we go. Alright, so everybody's back together now. Power Curve Motorsports. Classic iron motorcycles right here to the right. Of course, that's not where we're going, but there's cruisers over there. Okay. I've traveled this road many a times, didn't even know that was there. It's actually gonna be my first time going to Morton's BMW motorcycles as well. Oh wow, here they go. Morton's Power Equipment. Oh wow. Morton's BMW. Nice. Nice ride, man. So we're here at Morton's BMW, so let's check it out. All right, y'all, we here with April. I don't know if you remember April from, was it a Taco Tuesday? Yeah, it was a Taco Tuesday. Yeah. She said, come check her out at Morton's BMW. Me, I thought it was Fredericksburg, Maryland.
Here we are like 6 months later.
6 months later. BMW. You see what I'm saying?
I saw a bunch of boosters. I came outside, said hello. Bunch of Jixers.
Bunch of Jixers and boosters. My boys are out BMW. Shame on you, man. You should be out here today. But y'all come check April out, man. She'll give you an awesome deal. There you go.
I'll some discounts, some gear, some deals. You know what's up.
All right, there you go.
I can get you $500 off on a bike too.
Uh-oh, there you go. She put it out there. Ask for April. All right, here's the crew. See if I can get a better shot. There you go. All right, so we out here, man. Going here and check out Jeff from Big Ears. Got John and the rest of the crew over here. They parked on the other side. So let's go in. Let's check it out. Yeah, man, it was a real nice ride up here. We hit it a little bit, but we were safe. What's up, man? Going out, man. Check them out. Brand new, riding off with it. Oh man, check it out. And he's awesome. What's going on? Jeff with Big Ears, you know what I mean? April, check them out, check them out. All right, y'all, this is April and this is her bike. I'm gonna let her tell you about it.
It's got my name on it, literally. I got it with 400 miles. I've already put over 2,000 miles on it. I ain't had it but a month.
Oh, wow.
It's fully loaded. It's a 2024. Launch control, wheelie control, everything you can think of. It's got all the modes. It's got a track mode I can switch it to and then adjust through there. I don't have my keys, so I can't like turn it up.
That's all right.
I will say that it's all the bike I'll ever need for a while.
Oh wow, that is beautiful.
Got my name on it. How could I not? I don't even want to wrap it, touch it, nothing. It's just.
All right, so you're gonna leave it like it is.
For a while, at least.
So what you gonna do? You gonna keep the exhaust?
No. I'm gonna put it's a 2-in-1 system, and
okay.
I heard it in person for the first time yesterday on a ZX6. And I know that's a 4-cell and this is a twin, so it's gonna sound even better on this one than it did yesterday.
All right, nice.
I'm excited.
It's a beautiful machine.
She's a little dirty, but
that's all right. That means you've been riding. You said 2,000 miles.
Riding.
2,000 miles in a month. Like, yeah, you riding. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how she rides and working all at the same time. You know.
I make them manage. I make them work. I don't know how either, honestly.
Nice, lovely bike. All right, man. So the crew's getting suited in the boot, as you can see behind me. You know what I'm saying? So hey, it's a good ride up here. Hopefully we have a safe ride back. Part 2 of the video will be us riding back and some other stuff we got going on today as well. So stay tuned for that. So for right now, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Make sure you share the video and keep watching the channel. So from Platinum and the crew, your boy Hammer, I'm out. Peace.